Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at Quavo's Dreadlocks. Now, I feel like this is one of the most requested videos that I've got from you guys, and it's really interesting because Quavo has some, I would say for the lack of better words, basic dreadlocks. And what I mean by basic is kind of the traditional style of dreadlocks. So replace basic and put traditional because these are kind of traditional dreadlocks. And the reason I call these traditional dreadlocks because he took a traditional route in order to get these dreadlocks. And you'll kind of see what I mean by traditional when we go through this video. But before we get into it, I want to welcome all you guys to the Dreadlocks community. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you guys want to get more plugged in, make sure to follow Dreadlocks on Instagram. And you'll find so many people with some awesome dreadlocks in this community. And this is really inspiration for you guys to, you know, see people with awesome dreadlocks and kind of be encouraged during your dreadlocking journey, or even if you're deep into the dreadlock journey. I'm telling you guys, tag Dreadlocks and you'll be featured on the page. And you can also be featured on the channel and also even the website when it comes to it. And we'll talk more about the website later on in this video. But now that you like this video and subscribed and followed the Dreadlocks Instagram page, let's jump straight into this video. So I said that Quavo has a traditional style of dreadlocks. And what I mean by that is they just look very maintained, they're very well put together, and I'm saying that he 100% started out with twisting with gel. Now this is very easy to see because of how well maintained his hair is, how great his sections are, and how well the lengths of his dreadlocks actually look. So I would say those are the three characteristics that go with traditional locks, if I could put it that way. Is they're very maintained, the sections are great, and the lengths of his dreadlocks look well put together. You don't really see any dreadlock damage. You don't see his roots thinning out. His tips are very blunted and well put together. And they're just overall well-rounded, well put together dreadlocks. They're very clean, they're not messy. Which kind of leads me on to my hair. You guys are probably looking at me like, dude, your hair is like super messy and messed up. But I'm actually doing like a whole freeform journey. You guys can check it out on my main page. I'll link my update video down below. But just so you guys know, yeah, I'm like freeforming and allowing my hair to freely lock up. If you guys don't know what that is, you can watch other videos on this channel talking about people with freeform dreadlocks like Cam Newton. You know, I haven't done a video on Bob Marley, but Bob Marley had freeform locks. Basquiat had freeform locks, but you'll kind of see that in there. But talking about Quavo, how did he start his dreadlocks? We already know, kind of twisting with gel. How do we know that? Because his hair type is a 4B, and twisting with gel is easily categorized under the 4B hair type. Now, if you don't know your hair type, please click the link down below that says what is your hair type, and it'll take you straight to a video that'll explain everything you need to know from your hair type all the way to the method you can choose to help you get dreadlocks with your hair type. And I'm telling you, once you know your hair type, it's easy to tell what method you can choose with your hair type. Like for people with straighter hair, I definitely recommend a straight hair method. So all the straight hair methods are twist and rip. You can do crochet hooking, palm rolling, back combing. Those are like the four main things that I would recommend with people with straighter hair. But when it comes to 4B or 4C hair, there's a wider variety of methods you can choose to get dreadlocks. Like you can do twisting with gel, sponge rub, towel rub. It's basically the same thing, but one is a dread sponge and one is just a towel. You could do interlocking, crochet hooking, which is essentially instant dreadlocks. You could do back combing with that hair type as well, but it's really unnecessary and you really wouldn't want to. And as you could just see from that spectrum right there, there's so many more methods you can do with a curlier hair type or a tighter curl pattern versus a straighter hair type. But now that you know your hair type and you know Quavo's hair type, that leads us onto the method, like which we said is already twisting with gel. But that will lead me on to the product of the day, which is actually Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel. Now this is hands down, you guys have already heard it a million times, this is my favorite locking gel. It works great, it is perfect. You can actually find this in the link down below, and it'll take you straight to Amazon to be able to purchase one for yourself. And you guys are gonna love this because not only the smell is really good, but you'll find that this leaves no residue in your dreadlocks. It's easy to wash out. And let me tell you guys, do not use wax. Please don't use waxes on your hair because that is instantly gonna leave buildup in your hair, which can lead in mold. It can lead to really damaging so much of your dreadlock. So please stay away from waxes and use Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel because all the benefits that come with it. Now guys, Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel can also be found on Dreadlocks.com. So if you click that, you can find that along with all these other products that can help you with your dreadlock journey. Since it is holiday season and we are close to the new year, for everyone who purchases something from Dreadlocks, I plan on doing a giveaway. So comment down below what I should be giving away. because I've never done a giveaway on this channel, believe it or not, and I think we're at the point to where we have a great community, a great family. I don't want to do something for you guys. So comment down below what should be given away, and I'm definitely going to be announcing that really soon. So please blow up the comment section with what I should be giving away, and the main guideline is just going to be to purchase something from DREADLOCks.com. But I'll explain the entire guidelines in a further video. But you guys, hopefully this video explains some things to you, not only from what I mean from traditional dreadlocks, but what products you can use and what will be perfect for you. And I'm telling you guys, once you know your hair type, you'll basically have everything locked down. You'll know how to do exactly everything you need to do, and that will take you step by step on where you need to go with your whole dreadlock journey. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video and got something out of it. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.